Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. And as you can see, normally we would have to tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner, but right now, actually lately they removed it and everything which were in that section transferred to this section. So let's tap on this H in my case, on this icon, and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending, and of course if you'd like to, just tap on this green button Update All in order to download the updates for all of listed apps. But if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, then just find it in the list and tap on Update next to it. So let me update Google one, just tap on Update, and as you can see it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Right now, actually it was downloading, right now it is installing, and after that it will be successfully automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.